We're working on the pipe, boss. Good. What are you using down there? I'm using the wrench to unscrew these bolts. Don't use the wrench, use an impact wrench. Right. The impact drill. Use the impact drill. What impact drill? Put the fit in it. It's supposed to unscrew the you don't do it old school. Don't use the wrench to get the bolts out. Use an impact wrench. Okay, boss. All right, get his impact wrench. All right, now on the other side. Okay, boss. All right, we gotta get the All right, I need you guys to get the backhoes in there with rope and try to pull out the pipe. All right. Okay, get out of the way. Let the backhoe in and lift up the broken pipe. It's a water main break. That's no wonder there's water down here. And sloppy mess. The water main break down here, boss. Well, that's why we're here to fix it. The water main break, we're gonna fix it. Okay, we lift the pipe. Pull it out. Okay, guys. Boys, all right, guys, get in there. We're gonna put the next pipe in. All right, boss. All right. Okay, gently bring it down. Hold it. All right, let me get in there. Let me step in the hole here. Okay, give me the impact wrench.